Yoga is the most important tool I know of to promote inner peace. Inner peace gives us quality of life, health, and well-being. Peace is what's needed for now and for future generations to make this world a better place. Each yoga teacher training can be very different. What sets this training apart is the attention to modern science and an ancient methodology. We look at the big picture of yoga. Yoga is like a 5,000-year-old tree with roots growing deep in many directions. There are many different schools and lineages of yoga, and it's an evolving practice. As we explore this large system, students are encouraged to keep what's meaningful for them and create an individualized practice. I've studied many different styles of yoga, from Iyengar to Bhakti to a modern mindfulness approach. Over the last 20 years, I've mastered working with different populations promoting safe movement practices as a personal trainer and a group fitness instructor. I've taught yoga and mindfulness in higher education and for groups in recovery. I've raised 5 amazing children and juggled a lot of responsibility. Yoga has given me the grace, acceptance, and peace to enjoy the wild ride. It is my greatest joy to share these practices that have helped me so much over the last 30 years. Join us in Taos, New Mexico for 12 weekends of yoga over 6 months, January through June 2019. Namaste.